Hello and welcome to RGS Dashboards. In this tutorial, I'll be guiding you through how to track your project in My Dashboards. Once you log into RGS, on the left menu of the RGS homepage, if you click on My Dashboards, a list of all your active projects will be displayed. It has help guidance and the ability to sort columns and filter like tasks. The icons represent whether your project is in the application stage or also the monitoring stage or phase. As well, you have the risk type of your projects listed here. You can sort by the risk type. The project status displays where you are up to in the review cycle and whether an action is required by you or by the Ethics Committee or the Research Governance Office. If a project is aired, it means that additional information is required to be provided by the project team on a form or document before being resubmitted to either the Ethics Committee or the RGO. You can click on a project reference number, PRN, to take you directly to the project to review details or update forms. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope you have found it helpful.